My philosophy, holistic self-integration theory, centers around the idea that self is composed of interconnecting aspects that together form a complete and authentic identity. First of all, it recognizes the physical aspect of the self, which includes health, mental, physical relationships, and physical feelings. This facet underscores the significance of physical health and in attaining a state of general balance and harmony. Second, it recognizes the depth and complexity of human emotions by embracing the emotional component. Building emotional intelligence and resilience requires an understanding of and an acceptance of all emotions, both positive and negative. At last, it includes the spiritual aspects, which extends beyond religious convictions to include a feeling of meaning, purpose, and connection to something bigger than oneself. To find inner peace and fulfillment, one can engage in spiritual practices or contemplate existential issues. In general, the holistic self integration theory encourages people to pursue authenticity, contentment, and holistic well being by supporting a balanced approach to self discovery and personal development.